Ramon, and I'm a member of the Wolfpack. I came into roofing because of my dad. My dad is a roofer. Till this day, I'm 38 years old. He has 38 years on the roof. And I always looked up to him. When GAF first came to me and like they offered me this job, they told me they'd do solar, and I hung up. I was like, no. But I'm thinking it's like the other solar panels, right? So then he calls me back like an hour later. He's like, hey, I'm trying to offer you this job. I'm like, I'm a roofer. I'm not a solar guy, you know? They sent me the links, and as soon as I saw the way they installed it, I was sold. And now I'm training the guys, and I'm showing them how to do it, you know? So it's pretty amazing.
Ramon learned to work on the roof before he learned to work on the ground. For him, when he goes to projects, he gets involved in the installation because for him it's absolutely nothing. He's always positive, always looking for a solution.
In the start of the trainings, like the roofers are always like a little iffy about it. Let me just get here, train you, and show you. At the end of the day, you're gonna tell me something different. And they always do. They always tell me like they love that, you know?
Everybody wants to be around Ramon. Everybody wants to go out with Ramon. Everybody wants to work with Ramon.
Being bilingual, like, I've always looked at it like growing up, like I wasn't gonna use it. You know, I was just like, okay, I just need English, right? Now coming into this industry, like, you have to be bilingual to be able to train the guy. Energía en cada techo, de cada techo. Estás produciendo energía y es tu techo. Ya no hay penetraciones, ya no hay nada de eso. Y se mira bonito. We're part of the future, you know? So that just feels so good. I go home and I sleep good, you know? So, honestly.